Okay, here I'm going to show you how to email your leads list. And this is something you should be doing every single day. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder, get one as soon as you can afford one, because it's very, very important to have that in place. I mean, I'm going to go through both scenarios, either having an autoresponder or not having one. One was going to take a lot of time. The other one's going to take no time at all, okay? Because everything will be on automation. So here we're going to do the leads list, okay? So the first thing you're going to do with GetResponse, and that's who I use and recommend out there. I mean, there's other ones like Aweber and GVO and all kinds of other ones out there, but this is the one that I recommend and the only thing that I can really help you with, okay? So especially if you're within Power Network and that, this is the one that I will help you with. If you're using other things, it's the only one that I'm using that I like over Aweber. I used to be with them and I left them to go to GetResponse. So, but anyways, let's go in and I'll show you what you need to do with that. Okay, so we talked about the blog post. Okay, so here's the blog post, and I've put together basically a simple thing that I send to my list every single day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to create a message, okay, a newsletter. It says create newsletter. So I'm going to go in and create a newsletter. Okay, I'm just going to do a mock test right now. Okay, now what I will do is I will grab the title like this off of my blog post, okay, and I use it as my message name and then the subject line, because that's what they're going to see in their email. It'll be the subject, don't take life or opportunity for granted, okay? So the next step I'm going to go to, okay, I'm going to select, I'm not going to use a template in here, I'm just going to go in, I'm going to use an HTML code editor, okay? Now in GetResponse, it's going to come up with a black screen. Just ignore that. Go down where it says WYSIWYG, is what you see is what you get. Click on that, goes to a white screen. Now, I have a standard thing that I send to people, okay? So here it is here. All I do is I go in and I replace this link, okay, with the with my latest blog link, okay? So I already have everything in place what I need to use. So all I do is I just copy this, just like this, okay? And I go in and I paste it in here, okay? And it does come with a small font in here, so I like to go in and just create like, I'll use Arial, and I'll go in and I'll use like a size 14 font, so it's easier for people to read, okay? So all you need to do now is just copy this link, okay? Go into, so that's Control-C to copy it, go to the link that's here, and then just paste it in, okay? You can see I've already done that there. So you paste it in, you go in, you insert it, okay? And I always recommend that you put a picture of yourself, okay? It just makes it more personal that way, okay? So I always have a picture that I throw in here that I've got already uploaded to GetResponse, and I put in there. So everything is there, and then I have my Facebook links. You want to make sure that you hyperlink that as well, okay? So you go in, I already have that there in place. So it's that simple, okay? So then I will go to the next step. Just like that. I'll go in, I'll choose my leads, okay? And then I'm going to go to the next step, okay? And then here is where I'd either schedule it or send. Normally I'll send it right away. Now I've already sent this today, so I'm not sending it out. So it's gonna be in there as an example. But normally you'll just press send, and then it'll start sending to all of your leads. Okay, and you want to do this every day. You want to send them your blog post every day, and the reason for that is so that you are keeping in constant contact with your leads on a daily basis. Okay, so that's exactly how you do it for that. Now, for those that are not using GetResponse, a little easier, okay? You just go to, a little more work, I should say, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go into, I'm going to use Gmail as the example, go in and compose, which will bring up the new message here, okay? And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that same message and I'm going to paste it in here. So let me just grab that message. Same exact message here. Copy. Paste it into here. Subject line, again, is going to be this, okay? So we're going to go into Gmail, into the subject line, okay? But under recipients here, what you're going to do is you're going to do a blank carbon copy. So BCC is what you're going to do. Now, what you'll do is you'll go back to your leads list, okay? In your AWeber, oh, I logged out. But if you go back to your back office, let's go into even the Empower back office here. We'll just go to the leads list here. Okay, so wherever your leads are, okay, you know, whether it's in your get response or if it's here in your Empower back office, whatever it is, go in and grab, you know, you'll have to go in and grab them one by one and send them out, okay? And so I'll just, you know, just as an example, I'll just go and send this out. This guy's probably already got it, but I'm going to show you as an example what we've got to do. So you're going to go blank carbon copy, and what you'll do is you'll copy all of them. So what you're really going to do is go in and grab all of those emails and then make a text document of it. So every day you just go and grab that same text document, blank carbon copy them all into here, okay, and then just click send out, okay. Make sure you hyperlink this, okay, so it's linked, okay, so they know where to go. Make sure you hyperlink this, okay, and send. That's simple. So now it's done, okay. So that's how simple it is to get this to send out to your leads, okay, whether it's with an autoresponder or not autoresponder. Now you know how that's done.